Hey, what's going on? Thank you for joining me today. My name is Habib Salo. I'm the CEO of Young Nails. This is a new segment by Young Nails called Nail Polish Sun. I am so excited. This is gonna be a full nail polish review. Now, here's the deal. I'm the CEO of a worldwide distributed nail care company, Young Nails. We make professional nail care products, we make acrylics, gels, gel polish, pretty much everything that has to do with nails. Now, the whole thing behind this segment is to talk about all the different colors surrounding nail polish, and I am so incredibly fascinated with why certain colors are just stickier than others. You know what I mean? Like, what is the detail and the subtlety with color that attracts more people to it? Now, like, I've been in the nail industry for 18 freaking years, right? And I love nail polish. Like, it's weird. It's weird. It's weird. I can't put my finger on it, or a nail, to exactly why that is, but I've had this really deep fascination, bordering creepy, with nail polish, and I don't know why. Like, I really don't know why. And some would say, okay, you've been in the nail industry for this long, like, obviously you're passionate about nails. I love the business of nails, like, I love this industry. If I'm telling the truth, I've never been passionate about nail polish. You know why? Because I don't freaking understand it. And when I say I don't understand it, what I mean is I don't understand, like, the what makes certain colors more interesting than others. You know what I mean? I know why I like a donut, right? Take a freaking donut, shove that donut in my mouth. I know why I like coffee. I take that coffee and I wash that donut down my throat. I don't know why I said throat. And it tastes incredibly good and delicious. But when I look at nail polish, I see color. I love color. I'm actually kind of fascinated with color too, that's the other thing. But I look at the color, it's causing feelings inside of me. It makes, this sounds bad. I'm attracted to it, is the best way I can put it. I wanna get my nail polish, I wanna get my nail polish game really going, okay? And of course I wanna do it with our own nail polish. But here's the thing, I'm not, just because it's our nail polish, doesn't mean that I'm gonna like a certain color just because it's our nail polish. Like, if there's a certain color that I think is a big, giant pile of then that's exactly what I'm gonna call it. Pile of caca is probably a better way of, it's more kid-friendly, so we'll go with caca. But I wanna learn about color and nail polish, and I'm gonna do it on my own hand. Now here's the thing, okay? My hands they're not pretty. I'm telling you that right now, okay? Here's another issue that I have. I bite the living crap out of my skin around my nails. I know, I own a nail company, it's not good, but I can't help it. I can't help it. There's like an actual addiction. It's really bizarre, but I can't stop. That's another goal of mine, is to, like, I want to have pretty hands. I want to have pretty hands. Nice, manicured, beautiful hands. I'm the owner of a freaking nail company. That's exactly what I should have. So when I go through this process, I'm gonna explore colors, different kits that we have. I wanna understand, I wanna go through them. I'm gonna paint them on my nails. I'm gonna try to get my nail polish game going, and more than that, I'm gonna get my color game going. And that's exactly what's gonna happen on this new series called Nail Polish Sun. Today's first set of colors. These are Fall Classics 2018. I know we're in winter, okay, but there's a nice kind of, like, you know, going from fall into winter, there's going to be, you know, a little bit of a transition. I guess it's more fall, winter, excuse me, fall, holiday, and then into winter, okay? But the colors I'll be able to wear. It's not like going from, like, fall to summer, where I'm going from, like, darks, going from darks into, like, brights, right? But these will work. Okay, I'm pulling, this is our Color Shots kit. Now our Color Shots kit, these are these little tiny babies. These are freaking adorable. Look at that. Look how freaking cute that is. Are you kidding me? That's adorbs. Freaking double adorbs, man. Look at that. Absolute triple adorbs. You know darn well what's coming next. Quadruple for adorbs. These are the absolute most adorable bottles that you'll find on the market. And this is the thing, okay? What I actually like about this is the practicality. Why? It has an actual regular size cap on the bottle. It's got a regular size cap. One thing I can do is shake nail polish and make beads. That's something I actually might do. This is the first kit that I'm gonna kind of go over and review that we have. And again, like more than anything, this is about learning about the colors and understanding the subtleties of the colors and how our nail polish works and learning how to polish my own damn nails. And I don't care. I don't care what anybody says. I wanna learn. So, but these are so cute. They're so adorable. This is the other thing. We have the best names in the game. This beautiful color is called Out of Body. This next color is So Far, So Good. That's a really like pretty sort of like gray, iridescent. There's a little bit of yellow in there I can see. It's really, really pretty. Manifest the best. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to manifest the best color in me to come out. I think it's okay to talk to your nail polish. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. We're gonna talk to our nail polish. Last but not least, shine the light. This little light of mine. And this is a nice, looks like a pure bronze. Let's check it out. I'm gonna paint these out. I'm gonna talk this through. Let me see how good I can get my nail polish game going. Now, I've tried picking up tips from Tracy and Greg, who, they're pros. I'm not a pro. But, so if you're not a pro, then we're on this journey together. You and me's. So let's see here. So, I always see that Tracy likes to get a lot, like a good amount. And, let's see how this is gonna work here. Put that down. Wow. Oh, wow, this is a very interesting color, actually. You know, it's a little deceptive, I will say. I actually thought there would be a little bit more pigmentation on this color, but some colors, the point is to have a little bit of translucent transparency. So that's definitely a two coater. A lot of our colors will be one single coat, but this one isn't. So, but really cool. You can actually see that, let me see if I can get that up in there. It's really, really nice though, right? So the next one, Out of Body. This is, now again, in what it looks like in the bottle and what it actually looks like, obviously it's gonna be, let's see if it matches here. Get a good amount on my cute little brush, so gorgeous. Okay, yeah, this one's also, it's got a little transparent. It's gonna need another coat for sure. I'm definitely not getting enough. And the thing about our polish too is that it dries really fast, so I gotta move. This is interesting, it's got some bronze in there too, like the speckles. Next! The good thing is that this polish will be covering up my disgusting ass nails because it's a little embarrassing. All right. Ooh, this is a really, oh man, I love this color. Wow. That's got some nice coverage. It's definitely got, this one is more on the bronzy red, I think. Tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong here. I'm trying to get through these to understand it, but that one hit me. I laid that down and I felt love. I felt love. There's love. I'm instant connection with this polish. That's weird. It's a little weird. I've actually never had an instant connection with a polish, but when I did the first two, this one, there's love. I'm feeling love. Love. I'm in love. In love. This one is this coppery color. Let's go. I'm getting a good amount on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's beauts, magoots. Beauts, magoots. Okay. I don't know. That means nothing, by the way. It's just making stuff up. This is gorge. This is a really, really, really pretty color. But I don't like it. So there you go. It's not pretty, actually. I don't like this color. That's not for me. Maybe some of you might like it, but I'm not vibing on this. It's too, there's a loudness I'm feeling in that coppery tone. It's a little too bright. I really like this one because of that. I like the darkness. With these types of like sort of metallic vibe, I guess, is I really like the darker one and the one that's more kind of on the red, if I'm saying that correctly. I don't even know if I'm saying that correctly, but that's what I'm feeling. I'm gonna quickly put on a second coat and we'll really get to see how these colors do. Ooh. You know what? When you put that second coat on this one, forget it. That's ridiculous. That one really comes to life. Oh man, yeah. You know what? Even this one too, but this one really comes to life. Oh, this is my absolute favorite, man. I love this damn color. It's so clean and it's got that mica in there, you know, that slight iridescent. I just love the tone. And I'm not even doing a second coat on this because, okay, I'll do a second coat on it, damn it. I just don't like the color. Not on me, maybe on somebody else, but I'm just not a fan of it. And that's fine, right? You know, there's people that do color in our company. They pick the colors. They like the colors. I don't like that color. It is what it is. All good. So there you have it. There's all, let me get a little closer. These are all 4 colors. My fave, my second fave, my third fave, and this is Cockatown 5000. Just not into it. But overall, I think the kit, it's a good kit, you know what I'm saying? Minis are always a good deal, like you can't lose. And if you got 3, in my opinion, if I bought this, I would say I really love the one, like I really love these 2, right? So I feel good. I might wear this every once in a while. This one I'm giving this one away, but that's just my opinion. Love my winner in this kit. Manifest the best. This is a killer, amazing, gorgeous color. I'm gonna wear these colors home. I'm gonna head home now. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time on Nail Polish Sun.